How to make money with affiliate marketing fast. Hey guys, what's up? I'm your host Jason. Hope everybody is good. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 platforms that you can use to make your first affiliate sale today without any investment at all. And to make affiliate money quickly, there are a few things that you need. 1, you need targeted audience, meaning you need a person or persons that are searching for the offer that you're promoting. 2, you will need a good amount of traffic, as someone will see your offer, want the offer, but probably don't have any money at the moment. But let's say that offer is shown to 1,000 persons for that day. It's highly likely that you'll be able to make a sale. So I'll be showing you 3 platforms that other persons are using as I speak right now to make tons of money with their affiliate offers. The first platform that I would like to show you is right here, Snipley.io. Don't worry, you don't have to create a website or anything like that. You will simply be pasting a link to your affiliate offer, and that's it. With Snipley.io, you will be given a call to action, as you can see right here on any website. So all you have to do is simply tap on sign in. Once you have signed in and created a profile, you will simply add your call to action to any website. You don't have to own that website or anything like that. So let's say, for example, you are promoting a kitchen item from Amazon.com. So you have gotten the link for the product and all that, but you want to find the targeted audience. You don't have to go on YouTube and create a video. You don't have to go and make a website or anything like that. You will simply collect the link, your affiliate link for that product, come over to Snipley.io, sign in, then you will simply do a quick Google search for kitchen websites, and when you find a popular kitchen website, you will simply add your call to action to that website or to a particular article. And as you can see here, on their free program, you'll be able to get 500 clicks per month, and you'll be able to add over 20 links per month. After you start making money, which you'll start making money quickly as it will be targeted audience, you'll be able to sign up to their basic plan and start make even more money. The second platform that I will be showing you is Pinterest. And the beauty about Pinterest is, once you start posting video, as video content is taking off right now, as you can see right here, just like what you would see with Instagram Reels or TikTok. So you'll need to post video content, and you can create these video content for free on Canva if it's still live photos you have. Once you start posting video content, you will get a lot of traction and a lot of views, as you can see right here. So you'll simply come onto Pinterest and create your Pinterest account and start posting content. And once you start posting content, you don't need a lot of followers to get views. That's the beauty about Pinterest, and you'll be able to make good money. The third platform that I would like to show you is one of my favorite and one of the quickest platform to gain traction and get a viral post. It's TikTok. As you may know, TikTok has now overtaken Instagram and is now the most popular social media platform around. I recently went onto TikTok and did a quick search of kitchen gadgets, and you can see right here, this page right here, over 311,000 views. And you can see kitchen gadgets from Amazon. And as you can see, if I were to tap on one of these pages, let's say for example I went onto this page right here, you can see that they are promoting Amazon products, Amazon gadgets. And if I should tap on the link in the description, it will lead me to this page. And you can create a page just like this for free on Linktree. And as you can see, all they are doing is promoting Amazon product. as an Amazon associate, as you can see here. All my Amazon finds in USA, Canada, and UK. So once you tap onto this and you go onto Amazon and make a purchase, they will get a commission. And you can see they have listed even more items right here. So with TikTok, the person will search your through TikTok, find a video that you had created, tap on it, then you'll leave your link in the description. So again, you'll be getting a lot of views, as you can see right here, and you'll be getting targeted audience, so you will be more than likely to make a quick affiliate sale. And again, here is another one that I was looking at, but with this one the person showed their face. Again, it's mostly Amazon items that they are promoting, and if I should tap on the link in the description again, you can see right there. So the step is targeted audience, lots of eyeballs, quick affiliate sale. That's it.